Hello, this is Sam from Explain Everything. In this section of the course, we will create a recording to help recap a call. The purpose of this is to highlight the main points of any previous conversations that you've had, whether in person or online. For this example, we will review our example of the brain. So, to start your recording, you'll hit the record button at the bottom of the screen. And for this example, we will go back to our review of the frontal lobe. So the frontal lobe is responsible for personality, behavior, and emotions, as well as judgment, planning, and problem solving. Great. What I've just created is an 18-second recording that I can run through, and if I like, I can actually edit different parts of it. For this use case, I'm actually just going to share my 18-second video with the participants. So I can hit this export button in the top right-hand corner, hit Create Web Video Link, and from this web video link, I can share this with any participants that joined the call or were part of the meeting previously. All I have to do is hit the share button and share it in any format that I like. For this example, I'll share it as an email, where this is the format that the email would look like, and people can actually review this video that I sent just by hitting Watch Now. They can also have the option to download it and use this in a review or to recall what we had talked about on the call. Thank you.